Artificial intelligence, AI. Do you need it to be successful with this Save Club thing? And my opinion is heck no. I really don't use artificial intelligence to take over my brain because I'm tired or I'm running out of ideas. AI, I think, can be very beneficial. And if you use it, that's awesome. But I still think if you make a video and you're nervous, tell people. If you have no experience whatsoever, tell people. Be honest. Be as real as you can on video. Even if you have no idea what to say, turn on that webcam, look in that cell phone. A lot of people sit behind their steering wheels in their car and do little selfie videos, and then they're just too scared to upload it because they don't look right. They don't like their face or their eyeballs or their overall appearance. I get it. Everyone starts out that way. Now, if you join my team, I do have a lot of video you can use. It's already made for you. All you do is just put your link so people click and they can join your team. But I'm a big fan of video. You don't need the fancy graphics and pay someone to have bells and whistles. And I know having great thumbnails and keywords and do your research and only do videos where people are already searching for. I get it. But while you're sitting there analyzing and researching, guess what? I'm making like 5 videos like this, where I kind of go like this to my nice Santa Claus beard. Wait another week when it grows in again. I ho ho ho. All right, I look like Kenny Rogers or Santa. But why you might be a little frozen, a little paralyzed because of analyzing, okay, I'm going to just turn on my webcam, and if I have something to talk about that hopefully gets you interested in at least clicking a link that takes you to a video, and it could be the video made by Save Club. It's hosted by our CEO founder. His name is Charles. You can watch that right there. joinsaveclub.org. Click it, and you can go to this video right here. You have this same page as me. The only difference is my name is right there, Cory Draper's website. Put your name or your business. I recommend you. In my opinion, people join people. I even own peoplejoinpeople.com. That's how big a believer I am in that phrase. And when people sign up with me, I get the same reaction because I always email people, ask them how they're doing. I want them to know I'm a real person. I'm not this automated email guy all the time. I'm not the AI. I might be artificial, and I've never been called intelligence by anybody. I can't even spell intelligence. I try to be intelligent, but even that's hard to spell. But somehow I've had 100 people trust me and sign up. So as of this morning, 39 days in, I've had 100 folks, and that's awesome. I can't wait to get a couple hundred like Kelly. Very exciting. This is a worldwide thing, and this has only been officially released 9 days ago because today is June 9th of 2025. Well, we kicked off this Save Club thing June 1st. Now, the first month, 30 days, was a pre-launch. It is where most people who want to be affiliates, like myself, pay $60, get a badass website like what you're looking at now, and we can sign up people like yourself. We can save money just by going to My Deals. I click the My Deals tab, and there it is right there. Put in your zip code. And remember, this is a worldwide thing. We're only 9 days old. We're not going to have millions of deals in every city, state, and country, but we will eventually. But you need to sign up now if you want to be an affiliate because we have thousands of people a day signing up, and we don't even have enough affiliates. So hurry and decide, do you want to put in a little bit of time and effort with Save Club where just go to the My Deals tab, put in your zip code. You can see all your local deals, automotive to vacation. Just about everything under the sun is already in America. But we're going to Canada. We're going to Mexico. Yeah, we're going to be heading over to the water, over to the UK, and of course, all the Asian, African areas. And of course, down under, we'll go over to Brazil and Australia, working our tans in their summer. Okay, I'm in my summer now almost here in Utah. It's 92 degrees outside right now. But I think you're going to have a good time in Save Club just saving money on things you're going to buy or buy in the future. But here's the website, $60. There's a full customer support. There's full videos and everything about the pay plan. Just go to the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom left corner of your home computer. Hit that pay plan button. And we get 5 ways we get paid. If you sign up right now, I get 20 or 32 bucks depending on my rank. And right now I feel pretty good. They just put a new link here. It says rank recognition. That's a tongue twister. Right now 4-star. That's pretty cool. But look, I'm already a 3-star. I'm almost the highest category. There I am. I'm number 16. But the more stars you get, meaning do you have 10 people? Do you have 100 people signed up? Can you get 500 people? Well, if you do, you just make more money. All right. That's where the pay plan is very generous. And I can send you, and you know what? Below this video, I'm going to put a link to the pay plan video. And it's produced by this company, Save Club. It's a lot easier. Nothing's worse than trying to read a boring comp plan, pay plan. I call it a constipation plan. Such a big pain in the ass. But look at that. Look at all those people. Look at that. Just every country. Look, Canada, Brazil. All right. We have Japan. We've got Swiss. I think that one right there, that's UK. And I think that is Australia. Look at that. Yeah, we show rank recognition. How far do we go down? Thousands. Look at that. We're at 1,072. People that have ranked up. But I'm excited because I've already ranked up to number 7 in the world. Whatever I'm doing seems to work. And it's pretty much free. You join for $60, of course. You $19.97 it out the max. That's the membership. And then I recommend the funnel. I'm a real big fan of the funnel. I get more signups with this funnel right now than the one that I just showed you where you go to joinsaveclub.org. But both of these links take you to where you're going to put in your information and get an email. Just open up your Save Club email, and that's how you join. But the Save Club funnel is so cool. Do you guys want to see it? Let me see if I can type. Save. All right. Save Club. Can I add the word funnel without messing up? All right. Now, this is going to be your page too for 25 bucks. And if you don't like it, guys, don't worry about it. You can just do whatever. Well, hold on, guys. I put in the wrong one. SaveClubFunnels.com. There we go. I got to put an S at the end of funnels. Okay, right here, I'm going to put in Let's All Rock. That's my Gmail. Let's all rock and roll. Now, remember, this page is yours. You can change the boat in the background and the colors, but this is already built for you. You just have to take 10 minutes to fill in some of your affiliate information from Save Club. Hit the yellow button. Watch this 20-minute video. This is how I get all the signups now, is this video, because it's just more in depth. It's just more information, that's all. People find out about the membership side and the affiliate side, how they can earn money for that $60 investment. And if you want to join Save Club, hit that red button. If you've already joined, then just get the funnel. Hit the funnel button on the right. And anyone can get the funnel. You don't have to be on my group or my team. If you've joined underneath someone else, awesome. But you know what? I want you to join a team. I think by yourself, you're going to get lost and not know what you're doing, and you're going to quit. And I don't want you to do that. No one gets left behind. Not this early. We're 9 days in. We're cruising on a ship, working on our tans, getting some nice food in our bellies, drinking ice cold drinks with umbrellas. We're going places. And if you join my team, my ego will not allow it. I want you to kick butt. Okay, so watch this video. And if you want the funnel, remember you can use Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. But the best part, you're going to click this. You're going to get a private invite to 2 Facebook pages with some of the biggest persons I just showed you on the leaderboard. We do free training in there. We do Zoom meetings. We have a ton of made for you, already ready to go, no extra cost, videos. Yes, for Instagram, short little TikTok ones. Do you want longer ones? Just go pick. All you got to do is join for 25 bucks, and I'm going to send you a link to all this. But yes, videos for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, Threads. I forgot all the other ones. Is MySpace still there with Tom? Remember Friendster? This is going way back. But my favorite is Facebook. I do a lot. I do a lot with the old Facebook thing. I have a good response. But here's the links again. There, official. Do it. I know you can do this. Joinsaveclub.org. And the funnel system, you don't have to do it, guys. But if you have that 25 bucks and you feel stuck and you want to be more, I don't know, I want you to be on a team. I don't want you to feel like you're alone out there. I'm real worried about that. There you go, guys. Well, my video's at 10 minutes, and that's my goal. So I got 8 seconds here before it turns 10. My 10 minutes of fame. Isn't it 15? Don't you usually get 15 minutes of fame and that's about it? Well, I got 10 of it now. So I got 5 more minutes left to chat with you guys before I vaporize into a pink turd that has a mama hat on. All right, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. Get a hold of me anytime. I'll help you if I can. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, thanks. You're going to like Save Club. It's going to save you money on things you're already buying. And the affiliate side, let's earn you some money too, okay? All right, guys, have a good day. Talk to you later.